Ancient origins. The game of badminton traces its roots back over 2,000 years ago. It began as game called battledore and shuttlecock, played in ancient Greece, China, and India. Players use simple paddles called battledores to keep a small feather cork, the shuttlecock, in the air as long as possible. The birth of modern badminton. In the 80s, British Army officers stationed in India saw locals playing a similar game called Puna. They brought it back to England, and in 1873, the game was played at Duke of Beaufort's house in Badminton, Gloucestershire, which is where the name badminton came from. Development of rules. The Bath Badminton Club was formed in 1877 and they wrote the first official rules of the game. The Badminton Association of England (BAE) was created in 1893 and held the first official tournament in 1899, called the All England Open Badminton Championships, one of the oldest and most prestigious badminton tournaments still held like. Global expansion. Badminton spread rapidly to countries like Denmark, the United States, Canada, and Malaysia during the early 90s. The International Badminton Federation (IBF) was formed in 1934, now called the Badminton World Federation or BWF. Olympic recognition. Badminton became a demonstration sport in the 1972 Munich Olympics. It officially became part of the Olympic Games in 1992 in Barcelona, featuring both singles and doubles events for men and women. Mixed doubles was added later, making badminton of one of the few sports with equal events for both genders. Modern today. Today, badminton is one of the most popular sports in Asia, especially in countries like China, Indonesia, South Korea, Malaysia, and India. It's known for being the fastest racket sport in the world, with shuttlecock speed exceeding 400 kilometers in professional matches. Summary timeline. Year event. Ancient times, battledore and shuttlecock. Play in Greece, China, and India. 80s, British officers bring Puna from India to England. 1873, game played at Duke of Beaufort's in badminton. 1877, first official rules written by Bath Badminton Club. 1893, Badminton Association of England founded. 1934, International Badminton Federation established. 1992, badminton becomes an Olympic sport. Racket. The main tool used by players to hit the shuttlecock. It is lightweight, usually made of carbon fiber, aluminum, or graphite. A badminton racket has 5 main parts. The first one is head, string area, shaft, handle, throat. Head, where the strings are located to hit the shuttle. Starting area, the knitted part that contacts the shuttlecock. Shaft, the long, thin part connecting the head and handle. Handle, where the player holds the racket. Throat, connects the head to the shaft in some rackets. Shuttlecock, the object that players hit back and forth over the net. It has a collection shape with 16 feathers from a goose or duck or nylon plastic for beginners. The base is made of cork, which gives it weight. Scoring system. A match consists of best of 3 games. Each game is played to 21 points. A point is scored on every serve. Rally scoring system. If the score reaches 20-20, a player team must win by 2 clear points. Example, 22-20 and 23-21. The first to reach 30 points wins the game maximum score. Serving rules. The serve must be hit below the server's waist. The shuttlecock must travel diagonally to the opposite service box. The server and receiver must stay within their service courts until the serve is made. In singles, serves from right service court when your score is even, left service court when your score is odd. In doubles, teams have one serve only, and players alternate serving and receiving. During play, the rally continues until the shuttlecock touches the ground, lands outside the court boundaries, passes through or under the net, fails to pass over the net, touches a player near their clothing. Players must not touch the net or invade the opponent's side with their racket. Faults. The shuttle lands outside the boundary lines. A player hits the shuttle twice in one stroke. The shuttle touches the ceiling or walls. A player touches the net with body or racket. The shuttle is called and held on the racket. Let replay or rally. If the shuttle gets stuck in the net, if the server and receiver both fault at the same time, if the receiver is not ready and the serve is delivered. Intervals and change of ends. 60-second break at 11 points in each game. 2-minute break between games. Player change sides after the first game. In the third game, when one side reaches 11 points. And that's for all. Thank you!